Moomoo versus Wealthsimple versus Robinhood, which is honestly better? In this video, I'll compare Moomoo, Wealthsimple, and Robinhood to help you choose what's best for your investing style.
So to get started, Moomoo is built for active traders. It offers level 2 data, charts, and extended trading hours. If you're into day trading or technical analysis, Moomoo gives you a powerful tool at no cost. Wealth Simple, on the other hand, is best for beginners and long term investors in Canada. It's fully automated if you choose the invest plan, and Wealth Simple Trade allows commission free trading for stocks and ETFs. Robinhood is the simplest interface for US users, ideal for casual traders. It's commission free but lacks some advanced tools Moomoo has. However, it's beginner friendly and includes crypto trading. If you're Canadian, Wealthsimple is your best choice. For US based day traders, Moomoo wins on features. For simplicity and passive users, Robinhood still holds up. Each has its pros, just match it to your strategy. And that's which platform is honestly better between Moomoo, Wealthsimple, and Robinhood.